guys, today we're gonna cook kare-karing gulay. So here are the ingredients for our kare-karing gulay. So we have pechay bagyo. So we have sitaw or string beans, okra, then we have eggplant, onion chopped, garlic chopped, then we have cooking oil, salt, and pepper. So we have also at least 2 cups of water, and then we have kare-kare mix. Procedure natin in cooking of kare-karing gulay. So, isutay natin yung ating mga gulay muna. So, ating cooking oil. Sutay natin yung ating onion. Then, garlic. Pwede na natin i-add yung ating sitaw. And then yung ating eggplant. Add natin yung ating okra. Very simple lang yung pagluto ng ating kare-karing gulay. So, kung hindi natin ma-afford yung oxtail, yung buntot ng baka, then add natin yung ating salt and pepper. So, yun yung ating pepper. Lagay na natin yung ating at least 1.5 cup of water. And also, yung ating kare-kare mix. So, haluin lang natin siya. I-simmer lang natin siya until yung ating sauce maging thicken, tsaka yung ating gulay maluto. And finally, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating pechay bagyo. Right? Simmer lang natin for about 2 to 3 minutes with the same temperature. Yan. Ito na ang ating So, here we go. Pwede na natin i-serve yung ating kare-kareng gulay. Then, yung ating bagoong. So, here we go. Luto na ang ating kare-kareng gulay. Try, guys!